Yeah. Trying that motherfucker. Pull it up. And they gonna charge that motherfucker because they gonna tear that ground up. They gonna tear that ground up. They gonna charge you for that too. Little does he know. They gotta pull that motherfucker up the hill.
Yeah.
So they gonna charge you for that ground. First time I ever drove 30 miles an hour in the snow. Felt comfortable. And this shit. Slide the line. Feel it gripping. Still upstairs. Go high to 30. Slide all the way in the cold down that shit. Trucking, baby. Trucking in this snow. You sure you want to go to the snow? I don't want to ride that far in this.
You don't want to go to Purple Cookie and then you don't? You be alright on the highway?
No, I don't want to. No, fuck no. This is
You be
scary.
alright.
My
This
bad.
is okay.
You gonna jump on a major highway in a snowstorm to go get some cookies? You done lost your damn mind. Post that. You done lost your motherfucking mind.
Man, come on, man.
Oh,
Please.
look at this storm out here, woman. I love you now.
Leanne was here.
Well, if Leanne was here, she'd take you. Come take a Leanne. You can't even go nowhere. You just in my way. This snow. Oh, look at damn. Little raggedy ass car. Look how it just. It's a front wheel drive. I don't know why you didn't take off.
What's bad out here?
Yeah, baby, we ain't going in there. I'm not doing it. I love you. I love you too much to put you in the car.
No crumble cookie.
No problem. None of this. None of that.